All right, so let's give you a quick overview of the Forever Fix program. Right here, you're going to see you can get the program materials. All those are there, downloadable, printable. And then underneath that, you have the introduction, the 8 modules. The intro to each module is going to explain what movements you're going to be doing and the purpose behind those movements. And within, let's look at the lying pelvic tilts. While looking at the tilts, you're going to have a bunch of information going over not just the technique behind it, but why you're doing each of these movements. And there's going to be anatomy videos built into each section of the program to help give you a better idea of visualizing the body underneath, what things are supposed to do and what things look like. And then you're actually going to go into the movements themselves. And there's different variations of the movements. Say you are really struggling with something, you're having pain with something, there's going to be variations in there for you to work with. Each module has several workouts that you can repeat and modify yourself. And underneath each of the workouts, you have a quick reference, little GIFs of the movements that you'll be doing in that section. And as you progress through the program, get to more difficult modules, they will actually continue to introduce workouts from the old modules as well. So you're always working on everything. Everything builds on each other. Now, if you're having specific issues, you can look at the resources tab at the top. You can go through all of our videos. You have the phase 1 video glossary, phase 2 video glossary, anatomy library, the symptom relief videos, and that's the fun stuff. So the symptom relief videos are there for specific areas of the body that aren't necessarily mentioned in the program, like the ankle, the elbow, the wrist, and that's where you're going to get information on pelvic floor, upper back, and that's where you're going to find specific videos for those individual areas that you can work on mobilizing and strengthening. And that is a quick overview of the Forever Fix program. Have a nice day.